Today, we're taking a closer look at the iQOO Neo 11 Ultra, and right away, this phone brings three major firsts to the Neo series, pushing its gaming experience even further. It's clearly designed for college students and serious mobile gamers who want powerful 2K gaming performance. iQOO has upgraded almost everything important, from the display and performance to battery life and network experience.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Let's start with the design. The version I have is the special Wind Chaser color, inspired by rising higher and moving forward with passion. It's a perfect theme for students entering college and starting a completely new chapter. This generation introduces iQOO's new structural color technology. Instead of simply adding color to the back, iQOO creates an optical art effect. The flat rear design becomes a 3D visual experience, with internal textures shifting between 45 and 135 degrees to create a flowing 3D light effect. Tilt the phone and the back keeps changing its light and shadow patterns. The gradient moves with the angle too. The transitions are smooth and deep without looking overly shiny or cheap. The grip has also been improved with the 9.13mm wide ear-shaped design. Hold it horizontally for gaming, and there's less pressure on your palms. That makes those long gaming sessions much more comfortable. Now, the rear camera gets a new horizontal snap-on style design with the same knurled texture seen on the flagship model. It looks premium, but there's another important change. The camera area is 13% smaller than the previous Neo 11. That means fewer accidental touches while gaming. The smaller camera design also works better with external gaming accessories. Both the frame and rear panel have a matte finish, helping resist fingerprints. Even when your hands get sweaty during intense gaming, the phone stays much easier to grip. And there's more. You get IP68 and IP69 protection. Combined with the metal construction, precision-cut frame, and strong glass, the phone is designed with military-grade durability in mind, so accidental knocks and bumps during gaming are less worrying. Now let's move to one of the biggest highlights, the display. The Neo 11 Ultra is the first to feature F2 luminous material and AMI-level frame rate technology. Combined with iQOO's self-developed frame rate algorithm and customized power system, the display is built for both performance and efficiency. And here's the impressive part. Power consumption is 24% lower than the Neo 11 screen. It can even consume less power than many phones using 1.5K displays. So that typical 2K power consumption concern becomes much less of an issue. Brightness is another big strength. The display reaches 1000 nits manually, 2000 nits peak brightness, and up to 4500 nits maximum absolute brightness. Even under strong outdoor sunlight, the screen should remain bright, sharp, and easy to view. Eye protection has reached its most advanced level on an iQOO phone so far. Harmful blue light content stays at 5% or below. Instead of relying only on software dimming, the display uses material-level blue light redshifting to move blue light away from harmful wavelengths. The result? Less eye strain during long gaming or video sessions, making this display much more comfortable when you're spending hours staring at the screen.
Now let's talk performance, because this is where the iQOO Neo 11 Ultra really shines. It's the first phone powered by the Dimensity 9500M flagship processor. iQOO and MediaTek deeply customized the chip, even integrating the Master Super Engine into its architecture. So these aren't the software tweaks, the improvements are built into the chip itself. In Genshin Impact, frame rates stay remarkably stable at 60 FPS with very few major drops. The phone also supports 2K Super Resolution. Native mode can make character outlines and clothing details look slightly soft, but enabling Super Resolution makes faces, fabric, and buildings noticeably sharper. Combined with iQOO's upgraded frame interpolation, you don't just get higher frame rates, the image quality stays strong too. Even more impressive, click latency after interpolation can be lower than native 60 FPS. Whether you're fighting, exploring, or swiping, controls feel incredibly responsive, almost like gaming on a PC. Now, PUBG Mobile supports native 144 FPS, and the phone maintains it consistently through most sessions. Movement feels extremely smooth. You can also combine 2K resolution with 144 FPS super resolution, making grass, distant buildings, and character outlines much clearer. The high frame rate remains stable with no obvious stuttering or tearing. When you aim at enemies, details become clear almost instantly, helping you spot opponents faster and potentially gain an advantage. And for gamers, touch response matters just as much as processing power. The phone offers 4000 Hz real-time touch sampling and 500 Hz multi-frame sampling. Latency is extremely low, so aiming, shooting, and quick FPS movements feel fast and precise. The magnetic level wheel response also helps keep controls smooth and responsive. But how does iQOO control all this heat? The answer is its 8K liquid cooling system and the third-generation 3D VC vapor chamber. The vapor chamber around the main heat source is 3 times larger, while a huge 14,000 mm² double-layer graphite cooling pad helps spread heat quickly. The goal is simple: keep temperatures under control and prevent major frame rate drops during long gaming sessions. After 1 hour of Genshin Impact and PUBG Mobile, the highest temperature on both the front and back reached only 37.3 degrees Celsius. That's impressively cool and comfortable to hold. Network performance is another highlight. The universal gaming chip operates on the 5.8 GHz band, providing 80% better signal coverage than the previous generation. With 24 dedicated antennas, signal strength stays strong even when holding the phone horizontally. The phone also meets KPL tournament standards and supports atomic game notifications in titles like Honor of Kings. For example, a team invitation can appear directly inside the game, letting you accept it with one tap instead of switching screens. But as impressive as the performance is, I think the battery could be the real game changer. This is currently a 2K large-screen performance phone with a massive 9100 mAh Blue Ocean battery. It uses 4th-generation silicon-rich and 2nd-generation semi-solid-state battery technology, delivering high energy density without making the phone excessively thick. It's also designed for stable, low-temperature discharge and strong high-temperature safety. In my testing, after 3 hours of Honor of Kings at maximum frame rate, more than 70% battery remained. That's a huge advantage for students who spend hours outside without easy access to a charger. For many users, this could easily go beyond the usual twice-a-day charging routine. And when you finally need to charge, the 100-watt wired flash charging is seriously fast. The 9100 mAh battery reached 16% in just 10 minutes and nearly 50% after about 30 minutes. A useful charge is never far away. Despite being a gaming-focused phone, the camera is also quite capable. The main camera uses a 50-megapixel Sony YTA700V sensor with a 1.56-inch sensor and f1.88 aperture. Photos are clear and clean in both everyday lighting and at night. Whether you're scanning QR codes or capturing landscapes, it's easily capable enough for daily campus life. For most users, the camera should comfortably handle everyday photography. Overall, the iQOO Neo 11 Ultra Edition has a very clear mission: deliver powerful 2K gaming, huge battery life, effective cooling, and reliable connectivity. So who should buy it? If you're a college student, serious mobile gamer, want high-resolution 2K gaming, need long battery life, spend lots of time outdoors, or simply want stable gaming and network performance, this could be an excellent choice. But if your priorities are an ultra-thin design or the best possible camera, you'll want to consider that carefully. And that wraps up my hands-on experience with the iQOO Neo 11 Ultra Edition. What do you think about this phone? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.